Welcome back to our home theater, consumer tech, and living room audio showcase. Today, we are focusing on a complete home entertainment upgrade build for anyone who wants authentic, cinema-grade spatial immersion without dealing with complex, expensive multi-component receivers. The Denon DHT-S517 is a high-performance TV soundbar and wireless subwoofer package engineered to unlock true, three-dimensional Dolby Atmos surround sound. It is incredibly important to clarify a major engineering feature right away. While many entry-level soundbars claim to deliver Dolby Atmos, they are usually just using cheap digital software tricks to try and fake the effect out of basic front-facing speakers. This software emulation often sounds narrow, thin, and unnatural. Denon completely rejects that shortcut by integrating a true 7-driver physical layout that includes dedicated, upward-angled hardware height drivers built directly into the top of the bar. These physical drivers shoot discrete audio channels straight up at your ceiling to bounce sound waves back down, placing rain, helicopters, and flying objects realistically over your head. The core acoustic and integration triumph of the S517 system centers completely on its dedicated center channel, wireless bass matching, and high-speed eARC connectivity. Rather than blending dialogue into the left and right soundstage, Denon includes a completely isolated physical center driver driven by an intelligent 3-mode dialogue enhancer. This advanced processor analyzes incoming audio feeds in real time, letting you isolate and boost human speech frequencies across 3 independent levels so you can hear every whisper perfectly without constantly riding the volume remote during loud action sequences. To handle explosive movie soundtracks and modern video games, the system pairs seamlessly with an included downfiring wireless subwoofer. Because it syncs automatically over a dedicated wireless frequency, you can tuck it away next to a couch or media console with only a simple power cord, giving you deep, distortion-free low-end impact right where you want it. But what truly turns this Denon system into the ultimate living room centerpiece is its incredibly fast, turnkey deployment and versatile media streaming. Setting up the system is practically instant. A single included HDMI cable runs from your television's eARC port straight into the soundbar, instantly routing lossless audio formats while letting you control the soundbar's volume using your standard TV remote control. On the back jack panel, you also get an HDMI 4K pass-through loop, an optical audio port, and an analog auxiliary input, giving you total freedom to connect legacy devices or next-generation gaming consoles directly. When the television is turned off, the S517 switches seamlessly into a high-fidelity home speaker system, letting you stream your favorite playlists, podcasts,